Hello children, today for standard 7 we are going to do the third part of lesson number 13, that is algebraic expression. Hope the previous two parts are clear to you. Now today we are going to learn about the polynomials. Now what are polynomials? Polynomials are algebraic expressions in which the variables that are involved. Algebraic expressions are what? It involves variables and constants, right? So variables involved in polynomials have only non-negative integral power. Non-negative means there should not be any negative power, right? Take for example 2x square plus 3y. Here x is raised to the power 2. This is a positive integer. Here x is raised to the power 1. This is a positive integer again. So this expression is a polynomial. 3y plus 6. Y over here is raised to positive integer, that is y raised to power 1. So this is also a polynomial. 2x square plus 3y. This is again a polynomial where x is raised to the power 2 and y is raised to the power 1. For all positive integers. So this is again a polynomial. In this 3a square b 2ab plus 3. A raised to power 2 positive power, b raised to power 1 positive power. Here 2a is raised to power 1, b is raised to power 1. All these are positive integers, integral power. So they are polynomials. They are considered to be a polynomial. But then if I have an expression as a plus 1 by a. This 1 by a means what? 1 by a is equal to a raised to power minus 1. Okay. 1 is an integer, but then the sign is what? It is bearing a negative sign. So this is not a polynomial. Come to the next example. 2x plus root 2. Root 2. This x has one positive power, but then this x over here, x has root x is equal to x raised to power 1 by 2. Is 1 by 2 is positive, but then is 1 by 2 an integer? No. What are integers? We have integers as minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. But here in polynomials, we take only this positive integers. And 1 by 2 is not an integer. So this expression is not a polynomial. Clear? Now here you see, here we have used one variable. Here also one variable is used. Here variable used is x. Here variable used is y. Here we are having two variables. Here also we are having a and b. So two variables. Now we will learn polynomials in one variable and in two or three variables. And then what is the degree of it? Polynomial in one variable and their degree. This involves algebraic expression which carry only one variable and in which the power of the variables are non-negative integers. Power are non-negative integers. And what is the degree? Degree is the highest power that the variable in the polynomial carries. Take for example 3y plus 6 is a polynomial in one variable because the variable over here is used over here is y. So 3y plus 6 is a polynomial in one variable. Then what is the degree? The highest power that y carries, degree is of the variable. Okay, the variable is y. And what is the degree? Degree is the power, the highest power. y carries 1, so the degree is 1. In 4x square minus 5x plus 6, you see we have used one variable, that is x, in this expression. So this is a polynomial in one variable, and then what is the degree of this? Here x carries 1 as its power and here x carries 2 as its power. So what is the degree of the polynomial? The degree of the polynomial is 2, because the highest power of x is 2. X plus 1 by x. X plus 1 by x is a binomial because it is having two terms. Okay, but then it is not a polynomial. Why? Because 1 by x is equal to x raised to the power minus 1, and any variable which carries a negative integer, as its power, is not a polynomial. Clear? Then next, polynomials in two or more variables and their degrees. Two or more variables means these are expression, these are polynomial in two or more variables, these are algebraic expression which have two or more variables with non-negative integral power. That means they have non-negative integers as their power. And what is the degree? Their degree, we calculate the degree of each term. Like you take, this is a square b plus a cube b plus a b c minus 6. This is one term, this is another term, this is another third term, this is the fourth term, right? So we will calculate the degree of each term, and then that will be the degree of the term. Degree of the term is what? The sum of the powers in that term. Sum of the power is what? Over here it is 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, so the degree of any term is sum of the power of the terms. Okay, then the highest degree term is termed as the degree of the polynomial. The term which has the highest degree is termed as the degree of the polynomial. Take for example a plus b plus ab. Okay, the terms are a, b and ab. The variable used is a and b. So this is a polynomial of variable a and b. Okay, now what are the terms? First term is a, so the power is 1. A carries 1, so this is 1. B, again it is b plus b. B is another term, so b has power 1, so we have written the degree of the term as 1. Then the third term is what? A, b. A carries 1, B carries 1. So this is 1 plus 1, that is 2. Then the degree of the terms are what? 1, 1 and 2. Then this, the highest degree is 2. That means this expression is this is a polynomial of degree 2. Clear? Now look at this. This is a square b plus ab square plus a cube b square plus 6. How many terms do I have over here? 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth term does not have any variable. So the degree of this will be 0 because we calculate only the, suppose this is 2a square b. This is 3ab square. Okay, we calculate only the degree of the variables. So this has no variable over here, that means the degree is 0. And here it is what? First term is a square b, then 2 plus 1, b is raised to power 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. A b square, 1, a raised to power 1, 1 plus 2 is 3. Then a cube b, a is raised to power 3, b raised to power 2, 3 plus 2 is 5. So I have 3, 3 and 5 as the degree of the three terms. Then which is the highest power? 5 is the highest power. So this is a polynomial of degree 5. Clear? You go through the exercises, then in another video I'll be explaining you how to write an algebraic expression, how to generate an algebraic expression from a sentence that is given to you. Okay? Till then, stay home, stay safe, study, and goodbye.